A lot of times we don't know the type of product to sell. Dropshipping makes sense. Running an e-commerce business makes sense. But the problem is, what type of products do we sell? Now, I'm going to talk to you about that in this video. The products you could sell that will make you $20,000, and you don't even need to sell too much. Many times you don't look at this type of products. You just look at other products that are everywhere. A lot of times we are scared of the big product, the product that will cost a lot of money because we are scared people will not buy. But now let me change your mindset about this. When you are into dropshipping or into e-commerce, don't think about yourself because you're not the one using the product. Think about who you are targeting, your target audience. Who are they? Do you know that it takes lesser effort to sell more expensive products than it takes to sell cheaper products? Because people who are attracted to an expensive product are rich people. And if a rich person wants to buy something, they just go ahead and buy it. But those who don't have money, who are not rich, they are attracted to smaller products because they think too much, they calculate the risk, the plus and the minus for they buy. But rich people buy things for luxury sake, for the sake of bragging rights. Those are the type of people you should be targeting when you're running a dropshipping business and you want that business to be very profitable. So throw away cheaper products, throw away products that you are scared of. Throw away products you are comfortable selling. And let's jump into products that would most likely scare you. Those are the products you should target. Products that you are scared of. Product that takes you out of your comfort zone are the kind of products you should start selling from today henceforth. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you only about 5 or 6 products that you can start today. 5 or 6 products. I'm not going to make a video on this particular. I'm not going to talk about how to sell it. I'm just going to show you the product, assuming that you already are in the dropshipping space. But if you want me to make a more video on how to sell either of this product, I'm going to show you in the comment section. And like this video if it makes sense to you, and don't forget to subscribe. And let's go. The product I'm talking about is this one here. For example, a product like this. All right, this particular product. From seeing it, a lot of times many people are scared to drop ship products like this because they feel, how do I sell it? But that's the thing, it's not for you to bother your head about. Once you have a supplier, the supplier will do the selling for you. So let's check out this product. It's called infrared or traditional sauna. Now, if you don't know what this is, matter of fact, when I stumbled on this product, I really did not know what it is. I was looking more on the price angle, is what I mean. I was looking for how much is this product and how much can I sell it. For example, this product is about $700. Now remember, this is Alibaba. AliExpress, yeah, Alibaba, and Alibaba would sell it like manufacturer price. So meaning that because it's sold there for $600 or $700, does not mean you have to sell for $700. A product like this, if I'll be selling for at least $1,500. That's how much I will sell this because of the way the product looks. All right. Now let's look at the product a bit more. Click in here. So this is how this product looks. All right, infrared, sauna, wet steam, hot selling barrel, traditional, whatever. I'm sure let's go ahead and look at that. But look at this. This is like a compartment on its own, like a room on its own. Now, if I'm going to sell this, I would definitely not go sell it for $700. Nah, I'm going to sell this for $2,500 or even go a bit higher, like $3,500. Now, people that would buy this kind of items, I'm sure you know, are rich folks. People who are still struggling with their income will not think of buying things like this. Owners of hotels, owners of restaurants, owners of public places will also want things like this. Real estate agents will also want things like this because they can install it in their homes and then use it as a selling point to their clients. I hope you're thinking now. The product like this, it is not very popular, but then it gives you really good reward. Okay? Now, if you want to know how to get suppliers, let me know in the comment section. I will make a video on how you can get suppliers that will sell all of these things. And you don't even necessarily need to use Alibaba. You can use other websites to get suppliers who sell these things. This is just to show you that there are products out there that are very expensive, and the more expensive it is, the more tendency for you to make more money from it. Let's go to the next product. The next product is this one. It's a cooling bath. Now, athletes use this product a lot. Boxers, wrestlers, footballers, those athletics, and they use products like this, cool bath, either for a training session or after a training session. So this is it. Very beautiful product. All right, so let's open it. So let's see where it is. This is the particular one I prefer. This is it. All right, so this is awesome. See, you put in the ice, and then the person sits in it. Now let's see how much that is. See the cost here. The cost is $2,600, ranging to 2,438, right? And because of the price structure of this particular product, you are most likely to make more money from this. So if I'm going to sell this particular product, I want to sell this, I'll be selling this for times two of it, $5,000. All right. So I hope you're seeing where the juice is in all of this. Okay, you could play it and see how it looks like. Again, if you want me to make a video on how to get suppliers, let me know and I'll make that video. This is the beautiful product. See it here. All right, don't worry. We're going to a bit more expensive product where you can make at least $10,000, guys. Yes, I'm going to show you that in a bit. But see this, really beautiful. Let's check other images. All right, this is how it is. Okay, beautiful for athletes. All right. Now the next one I'm going to show you is this particular one. This 5D massage chair. Right. So let's see. This is how it looks like. All right. Has a lot of accessories. Let's check other images. These are other images. Works everywhere, everybody. See it. Let's go back to the video and this is how it looks. This is it. Now let's go check the video and this is the video. You see it. Beautiful, have a lot of features. This device, yeah, is crazy. All right. The components of this electric chair is awesome. I mean, massage chair, not electric chair. I beg your pardon. Electric chair is something else, please. Massage chair is awesome. This is it doing its thing. Play it. Look at it. All right. These are products you can build a complete business on. Your business can completely just be on massage chair and sell a whole number of them. You can have a website that just only sell massage chair. Now, yes, I agree, your audience might not be a very wide range audience, but the good thing is that when you make one sale, you are good to go. In this particular product, I'm going to sell this product, I'm going to sell it for $3,500. All right. This is how I would do mine. You could do yours however you want to do it. Now, in drop shipping, nobody controls your price. You know what's good for you. You know how much you spent into the business, marketing. You know all of the components that's needed for this business. So it's completely up to you to determine what the cost of this item. For me, I think 3.5 is okay for this. Now, the next product I'm showing you is this home lift small elevator traction machine. This one is another very nice one. Let me show you the images. All right, see it? A vision elevator machine that is built for your home. Okay, this is good for developers, good for contractors, good for real estate agents who are looking into building homes and installing different features in the homes. This is a good one. How it looks can be in offices, So these are, like I said, are not the conventional products that you see out there. If you're going to sell this product, I can show you that you're making a whole lot of money because not everybody is selling this or talking about this. So the fewer the people who are talking about this, the more money you make or the more traction you get. And I can assure you, even on Facebook ads, on YouTube, or on Google ads, you won't see ads that are promoting products like this because of the price or the cost it is. See how much you sell it for. This is for $10,000. $10,000 for this, meaning you can sell this times two. You could actually sell this for $20,000. Yes, pocket a whole $10,000 from one product, from one sale. Means that for you to make it $10,000, you need to sell just one. So if you're running a marketing campaign for 1 month and you're spending say $8,000 for that 1 month for a marketing campaign, you need just one person to buy this product. One, and you are good to go for that month, meaning you would have made $9,000 as your profit. Guys, making money is very simple nowadays. In those days, it's very difficult to make money. Now you could be in your home, make business like this. Now, there's some of the things you need to be able to sell products like this. Like I said before, you need a website, marketing structure, things put in place for you. If these things like this are difficult for you, or you need to help you hold your hand and help you build all of this surrounding and build a business surrounding a product, let me know in the comment section and we can jump on that. You can make $9,000, $10,000, 15 from just one sale, as you can see here. This price is for Alibaba, just for Alibaba. It means that this is even the cheapest you can get it anywhere. Meaning that if you sell it for $20,000, even for $25,000, you are still in good hands, right? So let's go to the next one. This is still the same product, the same home lift. Let's play so you see how it looks like. Beautiful, right? You know, all of the next product I'm going to show you now will completely blow your mind. Just watch the video to the end. You know, but this is how it looks like. You see, it goes down. So if you want to sell a product and you're not selling products like this, you're not ready for business. You're not ready because products like this, life changer, game changer. Meaning that if you sell five of these products, and you're selling it for $20,000, if you sell five of these products, you would have sold 50. You would have made $50,000 complete profit. Now let's do the maths. Let's say, for example, you spend $2,000, all right, setting up this business, all right. $2,000 is what you spent in, building websites, marketing campaign, everything. Not the campaign itself. I mean, sales page, all of those things. $2,000. Then you spend on that $1,000 for your marketing for 1 month. Now you've spent in total of $3,000, right? Cool. Now you're selling a product that gives you commission of $10,000 per sale. So if you subtract 3,000 from $10,000, you would have made $7,000. This is what you would have made per month. And we're talking about selling how many? We're talking about selling at least five. It means that if you sell five, you would have made $50,000. Now, for this $15,000 that you would have made, subtract the 3,000 you used in spending, I mean, setting all of these things up. Subtract this, what you would have made about $47,000 per month if you sold five. And let me assure you this, don't be scared of the price. It is very possible to sell five products. Five is very possible, especially if you have a very healthy campaign budget. So don't be scared to put in money for your dropshipping business. Put everything in place, because if you don't have a process in place, you don't have a good sales funnel, you don't have a good marketing strategy in place, you might not make any of this. But I can assure you, if you put some of these things in place, spend the money you need to put things in place, guys, you will make all of this money and thank me that you did. Again, like I said, if it's going to be difficult for you, you can reach out to me, comment in the comment section, and we could build this for you and help you keep the ground running. We do it every single time. We make sales like this every single time because we don't sell conventional product. I don't even teach my students to sell conventional product. I teach my students to sell product that people don't look at, product that seems very hard to sell, product that look very heavy to sell. When we do that, you have the possibility of one, selling more because you have fewer competition. You also have the possibility of making a whole lot of money doing all this. The last one I want to show you, which is definitely not the least product, is this beautiful product. This GS Outdoor Smart Protein Beverage Vending Machine. This is a vending machine. Now let's play this so you see how it works. Beautiful vending machine. It doesn't get better than this, guys. First of all, let me show you the picture so you see how it looks like. Touch screen, all right, and this is where it dispenses or it vents, gives you the product you want. To have smaller sizes, have the big size. If you this is the product, very beautiful. You see 5-inch touch screen, card reader. There's a card, there's a plastic drink taking door, which is this one here. There is a bill collector. There's a coin acceptor, meaning if you want to put in your coin change system. There's a machine color that can be customized. So if you don't like this white color, you can always customize the color before it gets out. So imagine you put this on your website, on your platform, and say, hey, you know what? I have this particular product, right? And I'm willing to want this color, this product in a different color. I don't want it in white. I want it in black. This is the black color here. All right. And you could go ahead and do whatever you want to do with it. Okay, this is how much it sells for. It's $4,000 if you're buying from two sets, and you could sell yours for $15,000 or $13,000 and put the same restrictions. I mean, criteria. If you want buying more than one, this is how much it is. All right, and you can also change the language from Chinese. Let's go and see. If you come on here, click on it, let's play it. So you see the coffee, and it makes the coffee. Just take your time and watch this, guys. This is amazing. This is how it works. That's how it works inside. Okay, you know, see what it does. Beautiful. This is coffee vending machine. We usually have vending machines for soda drinks, but now we have coffee vending machine. It looks so good. It's even touch screen, and people can buy this for business because there's a coin exchange system. There's a coin acceptance system where you can use coin or use card. This is an amazing machine. Tell me, guys, you have a website that has this site, this product on for sale. Are you going to tell me now that you're not going to make money if you spend at least $1,000 per month promoting this product, and you spend another $2,000 for the year? All right, setting up your sales page, all of those things in place, your Facebook and campaigns and all of that. Are you going to tell me that with just $3,000 you won't be able to make back $3,000 in a couple of months? You will, because you are selling a product that is out there. Now, think if you were selling a product that is cheaper and you've spent $3,000, right? Because mind you, this product you need just one sale, but you've spent about $3,000 and are selling a product that gives you a profit of $200. Guys, tell me, how long do you think it will take you to make $3,000? Probably forever. But with this strategy I'm giving you, you can make your $3,000 in one go with this strategy, because one sale gives you back your capital, also gives you some extra change as profit in your pocket, so you can reinvest in your marketing budget. This is it, guys. This is how you make $20,000 selling this type of product. I decided to show you this product because, like I said, in this channel, we don't hide anything from each other. I'm as open as a book. Give you what I show you what I do. I walk the talk. So whatever I tell you, you know something I'm doing, but point you in a direction, please go in that direction, because I have your best interest at heart. I want you to go out there and said you were able to make money, you were able to make X amount of dollar, you were able to make X amount of pounds because of the video you watched, because of my channel. That's the beauty, that's the joy I have. And if you want us to help you set up, you could say the business you have now running is because you came through Cash by Titas, because we love you and want to make sure that you make as much money as. Again, like I said, there's a lot of money to go around. So I'm really not scared to show you kind of products I sell. You won't see me selling products of $10, $50, $20, $100, because for me, that's waste of time, waste of resources. Why not just go for the big fish? I'm going to fish. Why not just fish for a shark or a whale? Why fish for crab or something small? Makes no sense. If you like this video, please smash on the like button. Subscribe to the channel, click on the bell button to get notified when I drop more videos like this. And please, like I said, share with anybody you think this might help. So click on the bell button, let others enjoy content like this. And the essence of this is to get started, not just to watch and enjoy, but to get started, to jump on it, to do everything you need, to start making money passively in your free time. This is Cash by Titas. Once again, watch this next video if you're really serious about starting a dropshipping business and how to create your own platform, get started in no time. Thanks once more, and hope to see you in the next one.